It is a new concentrate that is in the market. Some of you might know about it, and if you want to find out about it, that is why you're watching this video. All right. Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a video like this. Okay. All right, so without further ado, let's get right into this video. Today I'm going to be talking about the, like the thumbnail will say, the over white concentrates. This is a new concentrate in the market now. It's similar to the way Miracle Dem works, similar to the way Piment works, LOTION works. There are concentrates that boost the efficacy of your cream or whatever it is that you're mixing. All right, so it says it's over whitening with fruit acids. So it's of course, just like when you have Piment, like the way Piment works, it's a fruit acid concentrate. Okay, so I'm just going to quickly read. Formulated with essential oil and fruit acids extract to clean away blemishes. It effectively fights against brain marks, blackhead, rings, and pimples for a brighter complexion. Take 2 to 4 drops of your concentrate and apply on your face and other parts of the body to be treated once or twice daily, or use in combination with your body lotion. Take 2 to 4 ingredients: fruit acids, AHA, fungine essence of fruit, demineralized water, cellulose, collagen, aloe vera, propylene glycol, blah blah blah. From what I'm seeing, I think this is an product made in Africa of some sorts. Yeah. So yeah, not enough information after that. So this is how it is. Okay, it's a concentrate. Okay, please, as much as these people tell you to apply directly, to use like directly, please don't do that. You have to mix this with whatever it is you're doing. And to be honest, this is very good for face creams. Just take my face cream, highest 10% of my total formulation, highest 10% of my total formulation of this that I'm going to use. It will definitely effectively brighten the face. But please don't use this directly on your skin. You can use it in body creams as well, but I mostly use it in face creams. It's 1,015 for this concentrate. Just like the way you would use Piment Doux, that is how you will use this. Don't apply directly, and don't take an entire bottle of this and put in 200 ml of cream or 50 ml of face cream. Just inside, lie. You have what's it called? To burn you. You have redness. Just take max for me 10% of my total formulation and put in the face cream. Okay, I use it for face creams. I barely use this for body creams. If I want to use body cream, maybe I'll use Piment for body creams, but I'll use this for my face creams. Okay, it's very effective to lighten the face for spots and pigmentation. This cream, I would say, if your face is already smooth, you don't have spots, your face cream. But if you put it in a face cream and you have spots you haven't treated properly, it will brighten your whole face, and so your spots become much more visible. So when you want to mix this in your face cream, if you want to treat spots, you want to focus on the pigmentation first before you start applying like all over your face. And please, when you're using this in your face creams, guys, remember that most times when you pro-mix your face cream, you will notice that you're having like white dots, just like you would on your body. Or your body is still okay compared to having white dots on your face. So in order for you to prevent that, please get yourself a farmer them or miracle them to and put in your face cream to prevent any reaction of some sort. Okay, so yeah, that is that about this over white concentrate. It's talking about the Piment Doux concentrate and the Piment Doux serum. Okay, so a lot of us do not know that there's the concentrate and there's the serum. So this one says lotion eclatant and this one says concentrate, as you can see. So the concentrate is used in lotions, creams, scrubs, all of that. People use the concentrate. For face cleansers, people use the serum. Okay, so for example, if you wanted to make a face cleanser to treat acne or spots or generally just brighten the face, you can use the Piment Doux cleanser serum. They say lightening lotion on the side with serum, just like the way you have Dermalis. Yes, the way you have Dermalis, that is how you have this. Okay, then the concentrate on the other hand, the concentrate on the other hand you use for creams and all of that. Of course, you know that you're not supposed to use this too directly. Please dilute this before using. If not, redness is going to be your best friend. And this you use in your creams. You know that you're not going to use the whole bottle in your cream. You're going to use a portion of this in your cream. Some people go ahead as making maybe 100 ml lotion, you pack one bottle. Piment Doux gives this very red undertone, but if you use it really nicely, you have this yellowish undertone when you use it nicely. But if you use it too much, you have redness. Okay, so a lot of people talk about like, oh, Piment Doux this, Piment Doux that, fake. Yes, there's a lot of fake in the market now, lots and lots of fake. How do you know the original? I've said this multiple times in my videos. For the serum, you see the bottle. The bottle is always glass, always glass, always glass. Okay, and in some products you see the content is very light. It's not like this tone of yellow. It's very light. That's fake. And then some people will buy this and say, oh, I bought fake. This is not, this is the serum. This is not the concentrate. Let me open it. I just got this. This is the concentrate. The concentrate is sold for 1,001 now, I think. The serum is sold for 7,800. Use Piment Doux in creams, scrubs. Some people use it in face creams. All of that. It's very good for lightening, and it's also very good for spots. All of that. Okay. So as you can see, this is it. Now, if you want to buy the serum, imagine this is the serum. Do you see? Do you see how the serum is? Do you see how much the serum is? Do you see how thick this is? Yes. So some people, when they buy the serum is just like diluted portion of this. That's fake. This is it. Okay. And the Piment Doux is also glass, and Piment Doux is written on the side. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.